Looking to add sparkle and clarity to your sound system? Today we're diving into the best tweeters available for car audio systems, perfect for crisp vocals, shimmering cymbals, and a balanced, lively soundstage. Let's get started. First up, the Skar Audio SPX-T delivers outstanding clarity and punch at an affordable price. These 1-inch tweeters feature neodymium magnets for strong output in a compact design and an aluminum dome for crisp, bright highs. Rated at 80 watts RMS per pair, they handle serious power without distorting. Skar's SPX-T tweeters are easy to install and come with external crossovers, helping you get clean, accurate high frequencies without extra hassle. If you want clean vocals and sharp instruments without breaking the bank, the SPX-T is a smart upgrade. For serious SPL and loud, aggressive highs, check out the PRV Audio TW350Ti-4 titanium bullet tweeters. Built for high-output systems, these tweeters handle 120 watts RMS each and feature titanium diaphragms for precision and durability. They are designed for extreme loudness, ideal for competing with heavy bass setups while still keeping vocals and instruments crystal clear. The robust design ensures they survive demanding conditions, making them perfect for high SPL or competition builds. If you love loud, clean highs with tons of energy, PRV's TW350Ti-4 is a monster choice. The Rockford Fosgate R1TS is a go-to for anyone seeking high-end sound quality and easy integration into stock or upgraded systems. These 1-inch silk dome tweeters are rated at 40 watts RMS and feature a smooth, natural sound perfect for daily driving. They come with flush and surface mount hardware options, giving you flexibility depending on your car's layout. Known for their rich, detailed highs without harshness, the R1TS is perfect for anyone looking to add subtle brilliance to their system without overpowering it. Next up, the Pioneer TSA301TW tweeters offer outstanding clarity and versatility at a budget-friendly price. Rated at 60 watts RMS, they use a soft dome design that produces smooth, accurate high frequencies without becoming fatiguing. They come with multiple mounting options and an inline high-pass filter, making integration easy even for beginners. The TSA301TW is tuned for a balanced, full sound that complements both factory upgrades and full custom systems. If you want Pioneer quality with clean highs and flexible installation, these tweeters are a smart pick. Finally, the DS18 PROTW120B brings serious energy to your sound system. These 1.5-inch Super Bullet tweeters are built for high SPL applications, handling 120 watts RMS with incredible efficiency. The aluminum diaphragm and powerful magnet structure deliver sharp, loud highs that cut through even the heaviest bass. If you're building a system for shows, competition, or just want your highs to dominate, the PROTW120B is an absolute beast. DS18's rugged build quality ensures they can take serious power without compromising on sound clarity. And that's our list of the top 5 best tweeters for car audio. Which tweeters will sharpen your sound? Comment below and subscribe for more expert car audio reviews and advice.